This is Xavier with Modern Exterior here in beautiful local Waukesha, Wisconsin. Today we are on this little garage roof that's just having some general deterioration and weathering issues. And we can sort of see that here on the hip cap shingles. The asphalt is starting to shine through, and once that's exposed to the UV rays, eventually the fiberglass will start to shine through, and that is going to create leaking issues either now or in the future. We can see here specifically that fiberglass is already starting to shine through. Now that could just come with the aging of the roof, but as we can kind of see, it looks like some branches are falling here. It's a really shaded area, which you can tell on the shingles themselves with the algae and lichen buildup here. I also noticed while I was walking on the roof that there are a couple soft spots, but if you can refer to the picture that I'll include here inside the garage, the decking actually seems dry and fine from the underside. But being that it's soft, it probably means that water is starting to or was recently getting in from somewhere on the roof. So whereas with the regular deterioration, especially like this face on the hips, we could say we could repair this area or replace this area with the 3-tab shingles, but let's be real, we would want to recommend that we just take all this off so we can inspect the decking and sort of replace where needed. If the whole thing is needed, so be it. Otherwise, just patch in the decking, and then we would put on, the ice and water barriers along all the edges, and then from there we do our high quality synthetic felt underlayment. And then what I would recommend and what we would recommend is one of our IKO shingles, which is top of the line shingles today. Now, another thing real quick is this is a hip roof, so all of these are eaves, but none of them have gutters, which means the water is just falling straight off onto the ground and potentially into the fascia. As we can see here, you can kind of see the lip of the fascia. So that water is damaging the substrate of the property. The roof, and then we'll discuss the gutters, and then we would discuss potentially just doing a quick tune-up on the fascia to sort of create a superior hold to the fascia boards so that water isn't seeping in there. Until next time, I'm Xavier with Modern Exterior. Have a great day.